Okay, so we're taking a look at problems 1 and 2 at the top. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see the answers. If you have the same answers that I have, great, continue on to the next problems. If you don't have the answers that I have, then stick around and watch how we get the work done. Okay, so for problem number 1, you should have x equals a -1 or x equals a -2. For problem 2, x equals 3 or x equals 3. So there's only one solution to that one. So if you got these correct, move on. If you didn't, let's go over them. So if I look at this problem, I see that we are multiplying an item by another item and their product is 0. So I want to use zero product property. I want to set each factor equal to 0. So I have to write x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. And I need to solve each of them by doing the opposite operation to get the variable by itself. So in this first one, I took away 1 from each side, got x equals -1, or I take away 2 from each side and I get x equals -2. Okay, that's how we come to our final solution here. Okay, let's take a look at the problem next to it. So again, the same thing. I have two factors being multiplied and their product equals 0. So I take each one and I set it equal to 0. What you're going to see with this problem is that when I solve it, it gives me the same answer on both sides. So I get x equals 3 or x equals 3. Now sometimes that will happen, and what that means is that x equals 3 is actually not one of your answers, it's your only answer. So I didn't need to write it twice. I wrote it twice because I figured you might be writing it twice. Alright, if you're done with this problem, move on. If you're still a little stuck, raise your hand and I'll come help you.